Welcome to Reviews Inside TV, the place where we get up close and personal with the products you care about. Today, we're checking out the SMEG 50's Retro Style Personal Blender, a blender that's as much about style as it is about performance. If you've been looking for a compact blender with a bit of flair, or something that can handle your smoothies, shakes, and even light blending tasks, you might want to stick around. Let's see if this retro-inspired design is just a pretty face, or if it's got the power to match. The SMEG 50's retro-style personal blender isn't just about looking good on your countertop. At first glance, it stands out with its retro charm, featuring a sleek and rounded body that harks back to the mid-20th century. But beyond the looks, it's packed with some practical features. It comes with two 600mm BPA-Free bottles, which is great for those of you on the go, and a backlit knob that controls the 2-speed settings. Whether you're blending up fruits for a quick smoothie or crushing ice for your favorite beverages, this blender has options for both light and more intense blending. Let's talk about how this blender performs in real life. Setting it up was a breeze. No complicated instructions, just a quick plug-in, and you're ready to go. The 2-speed knob is easy to adjust, and the backlit feature gives it a nice, modern touch, which makes using it a little more fun. The first speed is perfect for softer fruits like bananas or berries, while the second speed handles tougher ingredients like frozen fruits or even small chunks of ice. I put this blender to the test with a few different scenarios: smoothies, protein shakes, and a quick blend of frozen berries with some almond milk. The first test, a classic fruit smoothie, was effortless. It blended everything evenly, and I didn't have to stop and stir. The second test, blending a frozen fruit medley, was a bit more challenging. It took a little longer at the second speed, but the blender still handled the job without stalling. For shakes and lighter blending tasks, the SMEG Personal Blender is perfect: quick, quiet, and clean. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty. The pros of this blender are pretty clear. First, the design is undeniably charming. It brings a pop of color and vintage vibes to any kitchen counter. The backlit knob is a unique feature that not only looks good, but also makes it easy to see what setting you're on. It's lightweight and portable, so if you like to blend your smoothies in the morning and take them with you, the 600ml bottles are the perfect size. In terms of performance, it's smooth and efficient for basic blending tasks, especially with the ease of operation. Just turn the knob and you're good to go. However, no product is without its flaws. One of the main downsides I noticed was that the motor isn't quite as powerful as some higher-end models, meaning it struggles a little when faced with tough, frozen ingredients or when used for longer blending sessions. While the 2 speeds work well for most everyday tasks, more demanding blending jobs like making nut butter or tackling tough vegetables might be a challenge. Also, while the BPA-free bottles are great for health-conscious consumers, the lack of additional accessories or a bigger capacity might be a downside for some users, especially if you tend to blend in larger batches. Let's talk value for money. The SMEG 50's retro-style personal blender is positioned as a mid-range product. It's priced higher than some basic blenders, but lower than high-performance models like Vitamix or Blendtec. While the performance might not match up to those top-tier brands in terms of power or versatility, the design, compactness, and ease of use make it a strong contender in its category. For someone who wants a simple, stylish blender for smoothies and shakes, it definitely holds its own. Comparing it to similar products in this price range, the SMEG stands out in terms of design and style. If you're into the whole retro aesthetic, it's hard to beat. But in terms of pure functionality, some alternatives like the Ninja Nutri Blender or the Hamilton Beach Personal Blender offer similar performance, and sometimes with more powerful motors for the same price, or even a bit less. However, if you're looking for a blender that doubles as a statement piece in your kitchen, this one has a leg up. The build quality of the SMEG blender is solid. It feels sturdy, and the plastic body, while lightweight, doesn't feel flimsy. It's easy to clean, and the blender jars and lids are dishwasher safe, which makes maintenance a breeze. As for long-term reliability, SMEG has a strong reputation for producing durable kitchen appliances, so while we don't have long-term data, The general impression is that this blender will last for years with proper care. As far as customer support goes, SMEG offers standard customer service options with accessible online resources and a warranty for peace of mind. I haven't had any direct interactions with their customer service, but their reputation in the market is generally positive. This is one of those brands you can trust to stand behind their products if you run into issues down the road. When it comes to software updates or firmware, this blender doesn't require any, as it's a pretty straightforward mechanical appliance with no smart features or app connectivity. This is ideal for those who want a no-frills, easy-to-use product without worrying about software issues or the need for updates. So, what's the final verdict? The SMEG 50's retro-style personal blender is a fun, stylish, and practical choice for anyone looking for a blender that's both functional and good-looking. Its performance is solid for everyday tasks like smoothies and shakes, though it may not be up to the challenge for tougher blending needs. It's great value for money if you're looking for a compact, retro blender that doesn't compromise on design and ease of use. If you're after a heavy-duty machine that can blend anything without hesitation, you might want to look elsewhere. But if you just want something reliable and aesthetically pleasing for light blending, this could be a perfect fit. Thanks for watching! And if you're thinking about getting your hands on the SMEG 50's retro-style personal blender, the link to get it is in the comments box below. If you have any questions or thoughts, drop them in the comments. We love hearing from you. See you next time on Reviewsinside TV, where we bring you the best reviews in style.